8 years after pledging to leave office after serving the constitutionally prescribed maximum of 10 years, President Mnangagwa is ascended to the controversial Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment Bill number 3. Despite the fact that mutungamiri wenyika panguva ino our even abroad aibechena achiti is a constitutionalist, and after 2 good terms panguva ino mutungamiri wenyika Zimbabwe will resign. Panguva ino osaida our this constitution amendment bill number 3 inomu enabler kuti akwanise kuextenda his term pamwe chete nema years in office. That was subscribe or like on the bell icon. TV number otosangana nelenda kanzi 8 years after vowing to respect term limits, Mnangagwa signs law extending his rule. President Mnangagwa is ascended to the controversial Constitution of Zimbabwe Amendment number 3 Act 2026, which extends the presidential term of office from 5 to 7 years and changes the country's electoral framework. Mnangagwa made the pledge during an interview with the CNN journalist Christian Amanpour in September 2018, shortly after winning the presidential election. In quotes, "Even if the people love me, I will still go away because I believe constitutionalism is important. In fact, we must give people the chance to have other leaders. 10 years is not a short period. In my view, it's quite a long period. And if you have a vision, a period long enough to implement the vision," he said at the time. Despite saying this, right now, Osaina, I was a law extend his rule. When I commence section methods of Kura Aimot Deep on Serpent College. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.